Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung S25 FE, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So to get started, you will want to grab your cable, plug it into your computer and have it ready. Now on your device, swipe down from the top of your screen, click on the power button and choose power off twice, which obviously turns off the device. When the phone turns off, you will want to hold volume up and power button, and the moment you start holding both of these buttons at the same time, plug in the cable. So I'm going to just align my fingers right now so they're hovering over the buttons, and I'm going to prep the cable. So I'm going to start holding the buttons right now, plug in. Now you'll see Samsung and then Galaxy. When you see Galaxy, let go of the power button. As you can see, this takes us to the recovery mode. So when we're in this mode, you can unplug the cable. It's really only needed to actually enter recovery mode and serves no other purpose after that. So next, using volume buttons to navigate, so primarily volume down, you want to scroll down and select wipe cache partition and confirm it using your power button. Then select yes. And at the bottom, you'll see cache wipe complete, at which point the reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power button once more to initiate that reboot, which will now boot you back up into Android. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.